So here's one for all you Stranger Things fans out there. This is a breakdown of Metallica's Master of Puppets. It's a super fast, super technical song with a lot of down picking, so it's a massive workout for the right hand. So I'm going to walk you through how to play the very beginning riff. So it all starts off with an open power chord, which is just like an E minor, but we're only playing the first 3 strings. Then we're going to jump to our 10th fret and create a power chord shape. And we're going to play a chromatic progression from the 10th fret to the 9th fret to the 8th fret while still maintaining that power chord shape. Next up, we've got a little bit of down picking. So we're going to start with 2 palm muted open E strings and then a fretted note. The first note we're going to fret is the 12th fret on our E string. Then we're going to play 2 more open palm muted notes and an 11th fret on our E string. And then we're going to play 2 more open palm muted notes before going back into that chromatic power chord progression from the 10th fret through the 9th and the 8th. And it sounds like this. Then we've got a much longer version of that down-picked palm muted section. This time round, the first fretted note we're going to play is on the 7th fret. Then it drops down by 1 fret to the 6th fret with 2 palm mutes in between. And then the 5th fret with 2 palm muted opens before. And now things are really going to speed up. Now it's just 1 palm muted note and 1 fretted note, jumping from the 4th to the 3rd. And when we hit the 2nd fret, we're going to pull off using our other finger to the 1st fret. That little run sounds a little bit like this. And then that takes us back down to the 12th fret again, continuing that palm muted and fretted pattern. And we repeat the 12th fret in the 11th fret and then that chromatic chord progression. And then it repeats over and over again, about 4 more times until it kicks into the main riff. Here's what happens when we put that all together, and this is the final playthrough of Master of Puppets by Metallica.